Hi, everyone. I hope you're well. It's Jasmine, and I'm back with What's Up this week. So, this week is newsletter week. So, we'll have a look what's inside. But before that, I'll tell a few words about why I'm doing these videos every week. So, if you don't know me, energy was a real struggle. For 25 to 30 years, I was exhausted. So it was a big discovery for me when I learned that nutrition, as simple as that, could be one of the factors that could have a big impact, not only on my physical health, but also on my mental and emotional health. So that's why I'm here today, every week, to share my findings for inspirations on wellness, health, and business. And today we'll talk about newsletter, about weight maintenance strategies, about the next webcast, which will be about why salt matters, and about the Explorers Community, a 21-day program to feel better inside and out. So to do that, I will share my screen. Just a second, please. Okay, share screen. This. Here it is. So last week, I talked about Dr. Dagi's two long-term weight strategies, steady as you go, and then this dentistry model. And I also talked about his weight loss journey in 2023. And thank you to those who gave me feedback on that. I like to know what you like to hear about. This morning, I'm talking about my monthly newsletter that was sent yesterday. Just a second. Okay. And it's a way for me to put into one package all the wellness updates that I've prepared for you in a month. So if you're subscribed, you've probably seen it already in your inbox. The title is Step into 2024 with Proven Weight Maintenance Strategies and Health Tips. So we are in February 1st, and it's still at the beginning of the year. And this month's focus shifts from simply losing weight to maintaining that weight loss for the long term. What you can find in the newsletter, well, from in-depth articles on proven weight maintenance strategies to easy to implement health tips, inspiring stories, and experts' insights. So here's what I covered in the newsletter. There's a link to the upcoming webcast that I was talking of, Why Salt Matters. There's the replay of Leaner for Life 2024. There are articles and videos on 4 simple tips to transform your health in 2024, Dr. Dagi's 2 lasting weight strategies, which weight plan is best for you, and much more. So about the Leaner for Life replay with Dr. Bruce Dagi, he's our wellness expert. So in this webcast, he unveils the key strategies for effective weight loss and, more importantly, maintaining your results long term. Overall, this webcast is a treasure trove of practical advice, scientific insights, and motivational stories. This is a good resource to embark on a truly transformative health journey. So here, a little peek of how it looks into the newsletter. So 4 simple tips to transform your health in 2024. Most New Year's resolutions have something to do with being healthier. It can be a bit overwhelming, and you might be wondering why, where, and how to begin. So, in the article, 4 simple tips to transform your health in 2024, sorry, I'll go on the good slide. I shared 4 simple habits you can incorporate into your daily routine that can have lasting positive impact on your health. I also shared why a healthy cleanse is a great way to start your wellness journey and how natural supplements can help. And there's an article also on Dr. Dagi's 2 lasting weight strategies with videos. As I mentioned earlier in last week's show, I shared 2 game-changing weight maintenance strategies, Steady as she goes and the dentistry model, plus Dr. Dagi's weight loss journey. All these are in the article. I highly recommend that you check out this article out. Dr. Dagi's own story of weight maintenance is not only inspiring, it's a real life example of blending these 2 methods that led to a successful 12-pound weight loss in a year. He faced health challenges that disrupted his routine, yet he found a way to bounce back. I've also included videos because it's much more fun to hear the story straight from Dr. Dagi. You can watch these videos for a delightful blend of entertainment and wisdom that only Dr. Dagi can deliver. The next article I'll talk about is what weight plan is best for you. There are many weight management plans out there and popular diets that give quick results. But which weight plan is best for you? Well, it depends on what your goals are. Do you want to lose it quickly, or are you looking for a long-term solution? In this article, I share the 3 major weight plans and our experts' advice on which weight plan to try based on your weight goals. So there will be an upcoming event in February. So we will explore sodium's impact on our heart health. Oops. Yeah. Did you know that an excess of something as common as table salt could be as a risk to your heart health? Salt is good. It's a critical nutrient for maintaining fluid balance and nerve function in your bodies. However, overconsumption can lead to hypertension, which is a major contributor to heart disease and stroke. The dilemma raises a delicate question. How do we strike the right balance? This will be one of the points addressed in the next webcast on February 21st at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 5 o'clock Pacific Time. It's why salt matters. Where Dr. Bruce Dagi will help us to spot hidden sodium in everyday food and discover practical strategies to manage its impact on your health. Get ready to transform your understanding of health 1 grain of salt at a time. So as a quick recap, what I talked about today is about weight maintenance after weight loss is not easy, but it can be done. 2 effective strategies, Steady as she goes and the dentistry model. And about the Dr. Dagi's weight loss journey is a perfect blend of the 2 weight maintenance strategies that led to a successful 12-pound weight loss. The best weight plan for you depends on what your goals are, to lose it quickly or to have a long-term result. And why salt matters, the next webinar with Dr. Bruce Dagi on February 23rd at 8 p.m. Now I'll say a few words on what's coming up in my community. I'm preparing a 21-day program to help you feel better inside out. It's in a private Facebook group and it's bilingual. During 21 days, we will learn together and encourage each other to eat healthy, exercise, drink more water, improve sleep habits, read something that inspires us to improve ourselves. We will do small, simple steps to become a better spouse, a better parent, a better person. It's more fun and rewarding when we do it together. You are welcome to join the community. If you just want to watch because you do not have the time right now to participate, that's okay too. I'll let you know the date when it begins on my Facebook page and in the community. So before we end today's show, I'd like to invite you to join my Explorers group. Subscribe to my Vitality for Life e-newsletter. Get my weekly wellness update. Tune in into my monthly wellness updates. And if you haven't, and tune in to my monthly wellness webcast too. If you haven't already joined my Wellness Resource Center, you are welcome. And to come and take a look. As a member, you'll have free access to my digital library of ebooks, live webinars, and resources. All my newsletters are archived there as well. So I'll give you all the links to all of that. I would like to thank the entire team who works behind the scenes to prepare the content that I present each week. I'm not alone in this, and I want to say a big thank you to them. So thank you so much to you for watching What's Up This Week, and I hope it is helping you as well as with your family's health. So see you next week.